Well, it's here. Tomorrow is the Holy of Holies. Okay, not really, but it may as well be because tomorrow is Cyber Monday. I am super pumped and super excited because there are so many great deals out there for Cyber Monday. But of course, you know that I am going to have the very best deal for you that you're ever going to see. I don't think I've ever put together a package quite this big with bonuses, but there's a massive package that is available right now as I'm recording this video. It actually was started for Black Friday, but they're extending it through Cyber Monday. So let's go ahead and check out the Blue Friday Extravaganza. Okay, we're looking right now at the sales page for Blue Friday Extravaganza. This is from my friends Deb and Dennis. Now, these guys know marketing. They know internet marketing really, really well. They do incredible stuff. This package comes with full PLR right. Now, it is not just one single thing. This is a dozen of their best courses. Each of their courses usually goes for about $10, $20, $30 a piece with PLR. You're getting a dozen of them with PLR rights for $27.38. It is a dime sale, so the price will go up the more people buy it. So do not wait to buy it too soon because you will see the price rising. Fair warning about that, but check out how many different things are included in here. Okay, look at this sales page here just to see. I just want you to see the numbers there, but look at this. Okay, 500 AI prompts for Perplexity.ai, the AI Humanizer, hot digital income treasure creation ideas, hot digital income treasure, 50 more hot digital income creation ideas, paint by numbers product creation, 10 by 10 matrix bundles, master new skills online for free, and then exchange those skills for hard cash. AI made friendly, 17 powerful ways to make money with newsletters, connect, energize, monetize, the hidden profits from freebies, digital product ideas, faceless YouTube secrets, AI agents exposed. You cannot be a celebrity from anywhere in the world. Welcome to the brand new world of recurring AI. 1.5 million views on a TikTok video. Okay, that's just an insane number of stuff here. Every single one of these comes with full PLR. That means you can sell them, you can give them away, use them as your own bonus. You can even edit them or put your name on it, which is really, really incredible stuff. But of course, as you know, this is a Cyber Monday special, and this would not be a man in the hat review without this being a truly insane bonus package.
Concierge of crime? Man in the hat?
With it. Really, you have to invade every single one of my videos. Seriously, okay, we get it. You're the man in the hat, but so am I. So give me some space, especially on Black Friday and Cyber Monday. It's the high holidays, for goodness sake. Seriously. Check this out. I want you to see just how many different bonuses I've got here for you. Okay, so first of all, background remover. I found not just one background remover, but this is a whole suite of background removers. So you can actually choose different options to see which one's going to do the best job for you. Okay, totally free. Just start using it. Okay, another one, scans your website to fix grammar, spelling issues, really embarrassing stuff. If you have bad grammar on your website, this will fix it for you. Okay, still not done yet. This is an AI system that I found from a major player, but very few people know about it. And it actually can create short videos like you can see here. Okay, it is completely free and really, really one of the most incredible things I've seen in a long while. Still not done yet, though. As I said, this is a major bonus for Black Friday and Cyber Monday. And after all, if you do not want to get a crappy bonus, then you need to stick around.
A piece of crap.
A piece of crap.
I just said it's not crappy. Pay attention. Anyway, but seriously, check this out. Grammar correction for free. This is another system that will actually fix your writing, not just your website, but your actual writing. If you have content like your emails that you're writing, whatever, right through here, it'll fix it for you for free. Another one will allow you to brand your AI content, turn it into your own unique style. Very, very cool stuff because a lot of AI stuff looks kind of generic. This will make it look more like your style. Still not done yet. How about a website where you can find over 73,000 books that have been summarized for you, and they even have dozens of them that are completely free. Just grab them and you can listen to an audiobook for like 10 minutes, 7 minutes, whatever, and get all the good stuff out of it. And those are completely for free. But we're still not done yet because after all, if you want to be a successful entrepreneur, you need a lot of bonuses. And by the way, every single one of my bonuses does come with PLR rights.
Yes, he's an entrepreneur. He's very successful.
Yes, thank you. Thank you, Liz. That's very kind of you to say. I know I'm successful. I want them to be successful too. So why don't you stop interrupting me and let's get to the rest of this stuff. But there's a lot to go over. This one is so cool. This is a system that I found that is completely free and will allow you to create font packages for anything you want. This thing, I simply told it to make a Star Trek themed font. And you can see here, there's one with the Enterprise, that's the Star Trek Delta as an A. Very, very cool stuff. You can literally give it anything you want, right? Here's another one on how to make custom QR codes. Now, by the way, I do update these things all the time when I put out new bonuses because the first time I put together this thing with the custom QR codes, the system that I found that does it is gone, but I found a new one that does it that I replaced it with. So I do keep these things updated as I put out a new bonus. I do not go back and update the old bonuses, but if you're picking something up for me right now, you will know that I have checked it as of the day I'm recording this video. All these bonuses do actually work. If they don't work, I've replaced them with something that does work. Here's something very, very cool. You can actually take any video, turn it into a talking video. So I took a picture, any image talking video, took a picture of Elon Musk and had him do a little ditty for us. You can play the video on there. Need to get Midjourney to do something for you. This is a system that will give you the perfect prompts for Midjourney, but we're still not done yet. This is one of my coolest things ever, my triple dip system, where I show you how to make money by saving money. I do this all the time. I love this method. Basically, I found 3 different ways to save money and then turn that into more money by selling stuff. I also give you an example showing you how to do this. Practical example where I actually made $50 in about 5 minutes of time using this particular method, the triple dip system. Really, really cool stuff. Haven't given that away in a very long time, but it's a really good method. Turn any image into an instant meme. Okay, again, I just took a picture of myself and it instantly turned into a meme. How about 100 of the hottest niches that you could sell these in and how and where to sell them? So really, really cool stuff. All right. Make custom YouTube thumbnails for free. How to write profit-sucking headlines. Okay, this is really, really good stuff. I write a lot of headlines. I'm going to teach you how to do it. Again, this course comes with full PLR rights. How to monetize even a tiny YouTube channel, get aged Instagram accounts. This is very, very important stuff because you do want to have an Instagram. You do want to have a YouTube account. Okay, how to grab completely free traffic with no effort. How to profit from Facebook with a new loophole. How to get paid for what you know without creating product and without traffic or affiliates. This is super cool. I know a lot of people don't want to create a product. This one, you don't need to create a product. How to make money giving stuff away for free. Yes, that is a thing. Yes, you can make money from it. Still not done yet. Okay, my own course on sales page secrets, how to make great sales pages every time. Plus the PLR edition of Email Success Secrets. This is one of my best-selling courses of all time, where I teach you everything I know about writing perfect emails. Still not done yet. I'm going to show you how to get virtual credit cards. This is really, really important and very, very valuable because, you know, you're buying stuff online. There are scams out there, unfortunately. There are people who will take advantage. This gives you a virtual card so you can limit the damage. You can also use it to go ahead and use these virtual cards to take advantage of trials, for example. If you want to test out a trial and you don't want to remember, oh, I got to go cancel it in a month, use one of these. It'll automatically cancel because it can't charge again. Okay, this is a very, very cool thing that I use all the time. All right. How about the title generator for books that you make with AI? I've also included a topic idea generator and an AI system that advisory titles. My course, the MMO Newbies Guide. And finally, after all, that's number 26. That is 26 full-fledged bonuses for you as part of my Black Friday Cyber Monday special. I'm giving you Tube Dominator Platinum. This is my course on dominating on YouTube. Again, everything is included here. All 26 of these. All these come with full PLR rights. Sell them, give them away, use them as your own bonus, do whatever you want with them. Okay, really, really incredible stuff. You're getting it all included. Check out the members area real quick. You can see here, it's basically just a download link, but very, very cool stuff. Really, really incredible. Grab this. It's Cyber Monday. It's the holy of holies if you want to save some money. This is the thing to get. So let's see if I can finally give a tip of my head to the product creator or not.
For the giant hat, sir.
Yeah, seriously, okay. I am super excited about this because I am giving you so much value. Deb is giving you so much value. This one is amazing. Grab this, you're going to love it.